this is what my refrigerator bottom looks like after, about 17 years of neglect. So here is a shot of the full-on little part that you need to take off, which is the front of the grill. And it's pretty nasty looking. So here's the grill, and it's just held on by a couple little pegs, little clampies. And let's see, that's really, really, really nasty. There's a ton of gook. 17 years worth. So now we're going to vacuum it out. Here we go. So this is what it looks like now, and it's pretty clean. This is the before on the other side. You can see that it's just caked with dust. So there is in the back some more that we can't really get to. And they sell a brush that looks like a pipe cleaner that you can get to get all the back stuff. It's kind of hard to see, but there is some stuff behind. So we recommend looking into purchasing one of those so that you can keep your refrigerator coils nice and clean. And voila! We are done. Yay! Right, and here we are, just snapping the grill right back in place. Another time we'll actually clean it and put it back on. Snaps right in. And ta-da! Done.